Una soon blood clot live a door. Una soon live out a fucking door about red bottom. Una want to get red bottom, land up on a boat, bring them come to me and make me go down a man and go buy a piece of red cloth. Una get red bottom. All me need is some fucking crazy glue. Look how much shoes you have in there where you know wear more than one time. And you tell me about red bottom boot? And sometimes the boot them come and China make them. All fucking China them must find some piece of old cloth and tie and put it and say red bottom. Oh, not easy. Everybody need to come put on the part on the rent and starting this month. But red bottom. Red bottom me bumbo cloth. That shit get me what name again? Irritable. Because on the day I see how fucking hard me a struggle on that about red bottom, Louis Vuitton done rich. You can't go Louis Vuitton. You can't
she just only pay for 150 shoes.
You can't even walk on Louis Vuitton street. Not even the cross street where you live.
Louis Vuitton got a street?
Me don't know. I mean I want to know. But you can't even walk near Louis Vuitton road. You not come talk about red fucking bottom. Me don't like wear red bottom and can't fucking wear. Me have to wear black bottom. Blood clot, don't take this fucking thing for. You think me a joke? Me not joke. You laugh and take this for a joke. Me not joking. You see how hard me have to work 1 foot and a who me have. And me still have to walk on it to go work every day. I not come tell me about red blood clot bottom. Look how much shoes you have, brother. Look how much shoes me put that me scrape up for put in a barrel for can't go to Jamaica. One only wear one fucking time.
That's not only from me though.
Some of them never wear yet. Some of them all the clothes them have on tag point fucking them. You don't know how much people sometimes that side would like forget some of them clothes. You not come talk about red bottom shoes.
So why when I started talking about red bottom shoes you get vexed?